guess what? We're gonna drill some stuff out. What we have here is a VAC Motorsports crank hub kit. We're gonna drill for this gear. We are using a carbide flat drill. There's no point on it. This is carbide. We're gonna end up burying this drill almost to the taper. So as we get in there and drill a hole, we're gonna have to pull back out to let the chips come out, evacuate, and then go back in. We have to do this 4 times, and then the kit will be done. So let's see what we can do here. I have to be very careful. I can't tilt my hand. I can't go on an angle. I need to be as perpendicular as possible. If we go too far and we tilt too much, we could snap the drill bit. So here you have good drill evacuation. Normally I would do this in something that's pretty steady. I'm going to hold that crankshaft with my hand, and we're going to come out, let chips come out. So the one thing I could tell you is, technically speaking, you should never peck drill a hardened material or with a carbide drill, because if the material starts to work harden, then you will end up having an issue. So it'll work harden when you pull the drill out, and then it starts to get. So this is probably as far as we want to go. We'll use a gauge pin that's a little bit smaller diameter. Drill is 157 thousandths. We're going to use 150 thousandths. Going to put that in and get some chips out. See if we can get an approximate measurement. So to where my nail is, that's how much we have. All we need engagement for the pin is this much here. So I'll just give it another little touch, make sure that there's nothing in there. And then we're going to move on to the next hole. So there we go. So we're going to do that 3 more times, and then we'll test fit and everything should be golden. So hope you enjoyed this. What we probably, you know what, before we cut it short here, let's come back to it. Do you want to watch the whole process? Let's do the whole process. We'll go into another one. This one I'd already started, so I'm just going to finish it off. And then we're going to do one here. This one is a fresh hole, completely fresh. I'm going to try to hold everything, not let anything clog up. Make sure this is tight. Let's see what we got here. I don't like that wobble. And let's see, in here we're going to go in, and this one was pre-drilled. We're going to just go through one more time. Make sure we've evacuated our chips. If we take this fixture off, we could be in trouble, so we don't want to take it off, because to realign it would be difficult. This one here, I think we're good. It feels pretty good. And one more time around. So now if everything is done right, I'll use a 157 pin gauge. This is what we measure for, this is what we use for measuring holes. And then we're just gonna go in, and we should be able to get that pretty much the full depth. There's gonna be some dirt and some chips in there. So you could see that. It's kind of almost repeating. So we should be good. Let's see what we get here. We're gonna take this guy off And we're gonna have some chips. Get a little rag or just a little lip service. And there you go. Like, this is perfect fit. After this is torqued on, everything will sit right home. So that should be that. Hope you enjoyed this. That's how you do it, and these are some of the tips that I would recommend. Be sure to check out VAC Motorsports Crank Hub. These are available N54, N55, S55 at vacmotorsports.com. And any questions, put them below. One other note, we sell a crank bolt capture that's also really good to combo with this when you're doing this. And there's also that crank seal guard. So hope you found this information helpful, useful, and looking forward to seeing you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Like button, follow VAC Motorsports.